Hey, I'm Becca, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy updos that anyone can do. All 3 of them take less than 5 minutes, and I guarantee you, you're going to love them. Keep watching. What's up, guys? My name is Becca, and you're watching our channel, Royce and Bekah, where we post every week about marriage and family life. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It really helps our channel out. Thank you so much. A couple weeks ago, I asked on Instagram if anyone had any hair videos they would like to see, and someone suggested some easy updo styles for date night, and I thought that was a fantastic idea because a lot of times as moms, as women, we're just doing a lot of other things, and we don't always have time to like blow dry our hair for an hour and do all this stuff. So I thought of my favorite 3 super easy go-to updo hairstyles that you can do for date night, you can do if you're going to a wedding, and we're gonna jump right in. Let's go. For the supplies that you will need, very minimal. We're not gonna use any heat today. I have prepped my hair. I slept on it last night wet, and I woke up this morning and I blow dried my bangs because I have a shag hairstyle, which has a lot of fringe. If you didn't see our video where I cut my hair, I will link that in the description below. What I'm gonna be using today for tools is Pureology Soft Finish Hairspray. I'm gonna be using Beach Club for texture. I have some Diane bobby pins. Why Diane? I don't know. A scrunchie, a swirly scrunchie. You can use regular scrunchie. I also have a rat tail comb and a decorative hair accessory. So the first style I'm doing is kind of cheating because it's not quite an updo, but it's an updo enough, and so I thought I'd count it because it's a super easy style and makes you look nice and chic and like you tried even harder than you really did. I used to do this hairstyle when I would work at the salon, and I got a ton of compliments, so I thought I'd share it with you. First thing we're gonna do is add some Beach Club IGK Volumizing Texture Spray at the root because we want some texture and volume. You can also tease your hair with the rat tail comb if you'd like, but I think I'm gonna have enough volume with what I want. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a really deep side part. So even if you already side part your hair, you're gonna go even deeper with the side part. And you're gonna kind of wanna take it diagonally back, but the main part is that this front is gonna be really like deep, deep side part. Kind of like we're all back in middle school again. I'm gonna tuck this, and we're gonna swoop this around. Essentially, this is an asymmetrical style. Makes a high impact with low effort. So if your hair is straight, what I would suggest is maybe adding some curls to the side that's gonna stay down. But my hair has a lot of texture to it. It's also very fluffy. And so adding texture spray will just make it even messier. And the messier the downside of your hair, the better. So I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and pin back this section of hair so it stays back. So if I'm dancing on the dance floor, it's not gonna come out. And depending on how deep you want this asymmetry to go, you can pull it back farther and farther. But I feel like that's good. And if you don't have bangs in the front, this side will kind of swoop a little bit further, but since I have bangs, they're kind of just stopping right over my eyebrows. If you wanna make it a little more polished, you can take a 1 1/4 inch curling iron and curl some of these pieces and make all of this come together, or you can just curl it and make it smoother on the ends. And then the last thing I would do, add a little bit more texture spray and maybe tease a little bit back here so it puffs it up a little bit. I'm just finishing with the Soft Finish Pureology Soft Finish Hairspray, and just so that when I'm dancing on the dance floor or I'm out to dinner with my husband, my bangs aren't gonna go anywhere, they're just staying put. I'm also gonna use the hairspray on the part that I pulled back just to lay down any of those flyaways that you don't want, you know, come to the party. Have a nice statement earring on this side. Can you imagine? I should have brought one. This is also where you could use a hair accessory. I'm still like trying to figure out if I like these or not. What do you guys think? Like them? I don't know. They're super popular right now, but I haven't really quite figured out how to like add them to styles. So that's another option. So you can hide your bobby pins with a little barrette. That is look number 1. Asymmetrical, pulled to the side, half kind of updo. So we're gonna move on to the second style. This is one of my personal favorites. I used to do it when I went to the salon all the time. I actually did this the other day when I didn't have a lot of time to get ready and all I had time for was to blow dry my bangs. If you don't have bangs, this can still work. You can just add a little curl to the side with some heat, or you can blow dry your bangs smooth, or the front parts of your hair smooth. But for me, I'm just gonna leave my fringe how it is. And I'm gonna grab my hair. I have a mirror over here. That's what I keep looking at. Maybe pull down some pieces that I like, but it's just gonna be a low, messy bun. And this also would be a great style for like prom, if you can't get your hair done for prom, or if you're a bride and your hairstylist had to cancel on you because of the pandemic or whatever. This actually could be a really easy, elegant style that you could do yourself. Or if you're eloping, you know, this could be a really easy style. Or husband says, hey, let's go on a date night. And you're like, I haven't washed my hair in 5 days. I just did a little twist, brought it to the side, and then I twisted the rest of my hair around the initial twist. So there's nothing right now that's holding this up. I'm holding it up myself. And all I do is take bobby pins and shove it into the bun. You literally keep going until it doesn't move anymore. The wonderful thing about this is most of the time your bobby pins are hidden. Okay, so I'm not liking how this side is laying. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bobby pin right there. If you want us to feel a little bit more romantic, you can pull a few more pieces down and curl them. This is probably one of my favorite go-to updo styles, and it makes a huge impact without taking a lot of time. Take a mirror and look at the back and make sure it's not splitting at the crown. One way to prevent that, if your hair is like super greasy, you can put some texture spray in it, you can put some dry shampoo, try and soak up the oil, and then you can tease it, and then as you pull your hair around, try and spread that part out, and then twist and pin it in. If you're a bride and you have a veil and you like this style, but your veil, it can be kind of awkward if you have a side bun, you can also do this style straight in the back, and then you can put your veil right on top of your bun. If you have super thick hair and you like this style, but like 15 bobby pins is still not going to hold your hair up, you can put it into a little side ponytail down on the side. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then wrap the hair around that. Super easy style. I love it. It's one of my go-tos. Let's move on to the third and final style. So this last style is, usually I do it with a brush, forgot my brush, so I'm gonna do it with a comb. That's how easy this is. This is a super chic look, so it'd be really great for like a date night evening in the city, if you're wearing like black, if you have some like nice eye makeup you wanna show off, a nice bold lipstick, some like beautiful earrings or a beautiful necklace, or if you have like strapless tee or a strapless dress, this style's for you. And it's, you know, good if you want a little facelift. I'm pulling all my hair up into a nice high ponytail. If you like ponytails, you can stop at the ponytail. Make sure you hide your hairband with some hair. I'll show you how to do that real quick before I finish this style. I just want this nice and smooth. That was the goal with the hairbrush. You just want all that's going into your ponytail nice and smooth. And because I have bangs, the front might be a little difficult. Don't worry about these. We'll take care of them in a minute. Take your scrunchie. I have this scrunchie because, I don't know, I just felt like it might work better with this style. I think you could definitely use another scrunchie. They also have scrunchies that you can use that I'll link below that are specific to styles like these. But I couldn't find mine, so. Like I said, if you like ponies, I'm not quite a ponytail person, but if you prefer ponytails to buns, you can stop here and maybe add some fun curls into the ponytail, and then you take a little piece of hair and wrap it. This isn't gonna work with this scrunchie, but a normal scrunchie, you just wrap your hair around the ponytail holder and then bobby pin it in the back, and it'll hide your ponytail holder and make it a little more chic. But we're gonna keep moving forward into a bun. If your hair is super thick, this style looks like amazing because you can get a really cool looking bun. There we go. You can usually tell in the first little twist if it's gonna work out. So what I look for is this to fall nicely down, and then I like to tuck the little tail under the rest of it. So it's like a sock bun without the sock. Handy dandy bobby pin. And we're going to, essentially what you're doing is securing your bun to the top of your head. Again, if you had thick hair, this, you can imagine how like fancy this style would be. So that was 3 bobby pins. It's probably not going anywhere. I have my little wispies. Some people like to leave them down. For like super chic, you're gonna wanna put them up. And so I'm just taking a bobby pin. They also have mini bobby pins, which are super awesome. And they're usually, you can get them tighter than regular bobby pins, but I just have some regular bobby pins. And I'm securing my wispies, is what I've called them since the 6th grade, to my hair. As tight as I can get it, and then I'm hiding it under the rest of it. All right, so imagine nice fun earrings or a nice bold lip. So then I'm gonna finish with Soft Finish Pureology Soft Hold Hairspray, what I've been using this entire time. And you can also use a stronger hold if you want, but this one seems to do the trick for me, and I like the shine factor because this style is so simple that it's nice to have a little bit of shine. And also take your rat tail comb because sometimes your hands will make it frizzier. You can spray it and then smooth it out with your comb and not your hands. This is the general idea of the last style. It's just a nice, chic, simple, but effective bun on top of your head. Just a twisty bun, sock bun, ballerina bun. It's called a bunch of different things, but what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you nice lift. You can do it super tight and give yourself a nice little facelift, but it's just really simple and elegant. I might actually redo this if I were actually going out because I'm not in love with this bun being like asymmetrical, but it works. But it's super easy, so it takes no time at all. I would just redo it. Probably grab a different scrunchie. Maybe don't use the one I used, and just retwist it until I get the look that I want. But this is close enough. I could go out to Target with this. So that wraps it up. Those are my 3 easy updo styles for date night, for going to Target. Let me know what style was your favorite. I think my favorite was definitely the second one. It just always has been. I love that style. A low, messy bun to the side. Super elegant, very feminine. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and please consider subscribing if you're new here and pressing the bell for notifications every time we post new videos. It really helps our channel out. We're trying to grow to 1,000 subscribers, and every subscriber counts, and we're just so grateful. So thank you so much for being a part of our channel. And that's it from us. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.